Elections are usually festive in Bangladesh. Tea stalls buzzing with political banter, posters of candidates competing for space. But there's very little of that this time, though. Relentless political violence over how elections should be held has left voters wary. Fear has replaced festivity.
Because of the violence, people will not come out from their home for the election. So that is definitely going to affect the election for voting.
53% of the voters are already deprived of their right to vote. 153 people have already been elected. So people here have lost interest in voting.
The main opposition BNP has vowed to prevent the polls. Blockades and strikes called by them have crippled the economy. Scores have died. The government has responded by arresting hundreds of their leaders and activists. The opposition has complained that their leader, former Prime Minister Khaleda Zia, is not being allowed to leave her home. Here at Lalbagh, in one of the few constituencies in the capital, Dhaka, where voting will take place on Sunday, many are asking whether they will get a real choice on the ballot without the opposition. Voters in more than half of the country's parliamentary seats are not even getting a chance to exercise their franchise. Candidates from the governing Awami League and its allies have already been elected unopposed. Despite repeated calls from home and abroad to postpone or cancel these polls, Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina insists they're a constitutional necessity. International election monitors have already pulled out. A question of credibility will hang over these polls and any new government they give Bangladeshis. No wonder many are already talking about the next election. Mahfouz Sadiq, BBC News, Dhaka.